Hey, how's it going? Robert Renman here. Today, I want to show you what I think is a really cool Scott Henderson style lick. And today, I'm using the Bias Mini over here and my Sir C1 Pro, great guitar. You probably know that Scott Henderson uses Sir exclusively. Now I have the amp set to fairly clean actually, but I'm using a Maxon SD9 in front of it. And in case you didn't know, Scott has been using the SD9 for years. All right, here is the amp tone without the pedal. Quite clean actually. And then with the pedal. Quite the difference. All right, I'm playing this lick over a D Dominant 7, something like a D9. And here is the lick. And at a slower tempo. So the first maybe 8 or 9 notes I stole directly from Scott. And I have heard him play this line many times. But he always changes it somehow and employs the whammy bar to finish his phrasing a lot. And I'm just simplifying this lick so it's easier to teach and it's also easier for me to play. Now, I call this a Lydian Dominant lick because it has a raised fourth. Normally, when we play over a dominant 7 chord, we have this Mixolydian mode. But with the Lydian Dominant, we get this. Which is a really cool sound. And you can still use that mode over a standard dominant 7 chord, like a D7 like this. So where in the lick do we have that raised fourth? Well, the first note. And then right there. That raised fourth and the flat 7 makes it Lydian Dominant. All right, that's it. I hope you found this interesting. If you did, give me a thumbs up, add a comment, and of course subscribe.